My friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now, friends. In this video I'm talking about the Hedera Hashgraph. What's the current price of Hedera Hashgraph, and especially in this video I'm talking about the very important update of Hedera Hashgraph which you need to see. So please keep watch, and if you are new to my channel, so please I request all of you that please subscribe ABS Tech channel. Please don't ignore my words, and kindly please subscribe ABS Tech channel. Thank you so much. I know you all subscribe my channel, that is why I'm telling you. Thank you so much, friends. Anyways, let's move on and let's discuss the prices occur in a Hedera Hashgraph. So friends, the current price of the Hedera Hashgraph in the market 0.304014 0.304014 USD dollar is the currently price of the Hedera Hashgraph. On the other side, if you look the price change occur in Hedera Hashgraph, so the last 1 hour, the last 1 day, the last 1 week prices occur in the Hedera Hashgraph is going negative, friends, but only the last 1 week pricing as positive, except after the last one week pricing, the last 1 hour and the last 1 day pricing is negative, friends. So this means that the Hedera Hashgraph start dumping. The price of the Hedera Hashgraph is going down and from the previous last 1 day, friends. Let's see the price chart for more details for better understanding. As you can see here, the price of Hedera Hashgraph is going down in this time, friends. As you can see here, from yesterday the price is going down start. As I told you that if you look the previous time change okay in Hedera Hashgraph, so the previous time change is in positive and they start moving upward, but now from the yesterday the price is going down, friends. Anyways, if you look the price changes over in Hedera Hashgraph, so negative 10.29% price falls down in the last 1 day in the 24 hours, and the highest price is 0.364307 USD dollar is the highest price of the Hedera Hashgraph. So now the price of Hedera Hashgraph is going down. What's the reason behind it? Especially the short-term investor going to decide to sell Hedera Hashgraph, friends. So that is why the price is going down due to the selling of short-term investor, friends. My personal suggestion for all of my viewers, for all of my subscribers, to please hold Hedera Hashgraph throughout this whole month, friends, because I know at this time they fast down for a little time, but remember that Hedera Hashgraph is unique cryptocurrencies. They fast down for a little time. As you can see here, if you look at this time, fast down, and after this fast they take a quick jump. Understand? So now this time they again fall down, and gradually now they are in the falling mood, but after some passage of time, after some falls, they again start jumping, and I'm 100% sure that with the passage of time they again start pump, and they take a very big pump in the future, friends. So please don't do this mistake and don't sell. It's time to hold and hold. What's your prediction? What's your opinion about Hedera Hashgraph? Please also share in the comment box, and kindly please don't forget to subscribe to this tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.